Finding a truly great extra virgin olive oil can feel like searching for treasure in a sea of green bottles. With so many brands claiming to be the best, how do you know which ones actually deliver on quality, flavor, and health benefits? Today, we're breaking down the 10 best extra virgin olive oils you should actually consider buying. Whether you're drizzling over salads, cooking up Italian masterpieces, or taking spoonfuls for health benefits, there's an oil on this list for you. All the product links are down in the description below, so let's dive in. First up is Atlas Cold Press Extra Virgin Olive Oil from Morocco. This single-origin oil comes from a family farm in the Atlas Mountains that's been producing olive oil since 1887, and what sets it apart is its exceptionally high polyphenol content. The olives grow in harsh desert conditions with extreme temperature swings, which stresses the trees and causes them to produce more protective antioxidants. The result is an oil with acidity as low as 0.1 to 0.2% and a complex flavor profile featuring notes of banana, almond, basil, and lemon. Michelin-starred chefs trust this oil, and health enthusiasts love it for taking by the spoonful before bed to reduce inflammation. This is definitely a premium investment that reflects its exceptional quality and single-origin transparency, perfect for those prioritizing maximum health benefits and viewing olive oil as both a culinary ingredient and a wellness supplement. Moving to something ideal for everyday cooking, Graza Sizzle Extra Virgin Olive Oil was specifically designed for high-heat cooking. Made from 100% Picual olives grown in Jaén, Spain, the mid-season harvest creates a mellow, versatile flavor that complements dishes beautifully. The Picual variety naturally has the highest smoke point and longest shelf life of any olive cultivar. What really makes Graza stand out is the innovative squeeze bottle packaging that gives you perfect control without any mess. Food writers constantly recommend this oil because it's genuinely practical for daily use, whether you're roasting vegetables, searing chicken, or even baking chocolate chip cookies. For busy home cooks who use olive oil multiple times per day and want something reliable that handles heat beautifully, this hits the sweet spot between quality and convenience. If value is your main priority, Pompeian Robust Extra Virgin Olive Oil has been an American household staple since 1906. This farmer-owned cooperative creates a consistent blend that works wonderfully for general cooking. At around 35 cents per ounce, it's remarkably affordable, and you can find it at virtually any grocery store in convenient family-size bottles. It carries NAOOA certification and American Heart Association approval, so you're getting legitimate extra virgin quality at an accessible price. This is ideal for families cooking in volume who need a dependable oil for sautéing, baking, and everyday recipes, where olive oil's health benefits shine through. For those seeking ultra-premium Moroccan oil, Desert Miracle represents the absolute top tier. This award-winning oil comes from the same desert farm as Atlas, but with 300,000 olive trees producing a blend of 97% Arbequina and 3% Dabia olives. The flavor profile is remarkably sweet and complex, featuring banana, apple, almond, and herb notes that make it exceptional for desserts and baking. Professional pastry chefs use this for olive oil ice cream and cakes because the delicate sweetness adds complexity without harsh bitterness. 10 Michelin-starred restaurants serve this oil, making it perfect for special occasion cooking or impressive foodie gifts. While Desert Miracle takes us to Morocco, Partanna Robust Extra Virgin Olive Oil brings us to the heart of Sicily. The Asaro family has been producing this oil in Trapani since 1916, using 100% Nocellara del Belice olives, the same variety that gives us those buttery Castelvetrano table olives. This connection explains Partanna's distinctively smooth, buttery flavor with just a light peppery finish. The oil gets pressed within 4 hours of harvest and comes in that iconic red tin. What's particularly nice is that it strikes a beautiful balance, delivering robust Sicilian character that's approachable and delicious. This works beautifully for anyone who loves Italian cooking and wants authentic Mediterranean character for both cooking and finishing. Speaking of trusted brands, Bragg Organic Extra Virgin Olive Oil offers something special as a wellness-focused choice from a company with over a century of experience. Sourced exclusively from Greek Koroneiki olives grown in Sparta, Corinth, and Crete, this unrefined and unfiltered oil delivers bold, earthy, spicy flavors with verified polyphenol levels ranging from 360 to 479 milligrams per kilogram. The Greek Koroneiki variety naturally produces more polyphenols than many other cultivars, making this genuinely a higher health option. For health store shoppers who trust the Bragg name and want verified polyphenol content with consistent quality, this delivers Greek excellence at a reasonable premium. Now, let's talk about Italian luxury with Frescobaldi Laudemio extra virgin olive oil. The Frescobaldi family literally created the premium Italian olive oil category back in 1988. The name Laudemio comes from a medieval term meaning the best part of the harvest reserved for the Lord, and that heritage shows in every bottle. This blend of Frontoio, Moraiolo, and Licino olives from Florence area groves gets pressed within 24 hours at the family's own mill. Frescobaldi Laudemio is remarkably elegant and balanced, with fresh mown grass, artichoke, and arugula aromas, leading into a harmonious blend of fruity, bitter, and spicy notes. It wins gold medals consistently at international competitions. For special occasions or when you want olive oil to be the star of a simple dish, this represents 4 generations of Tuscan expertise. Shifting to American-made excellence, Cobram Estate Classic California extra virgin olive oil brings Australian expertise to California's Sacramento Valley and Sonoma regions. This company uses impressive technology, including state-of-the-art harvesters and satellite monitoring, to optimize grove management. The oil gets pressed within 6 hours of harvest, delivering a fresh, clean flavor profile with notes of cut grass and tropical fruit. Customers absolutely love the pop-up pourer spout that makes serving incredibly easy. Cobram Estate offers true single-origin California transparency with balanced, medium-intensity flavor that works beautifully for both everyday cooking and light finishing applications. Here's something truly unique. Corto. Truly extra virgin olive oil takes freshness to another level by packaging your oil when you order it. Corto cold extracts oil from their California groves and stores it in optimal conditions until your order arrives. The innovative flavor lock box uses bag-in-box technology, where the bag collapses as you use the oil, keeping air out and preventing oxidation. The oil itself is aromatic, fruity, and herbaceous, with full-bodied flavor and bright floral notes. For freshness enthusiasts or high-volume users, Corto delivers a straight-from-the-mill experience right to your home. Finally, Colavita Mediterranean extra virgin olive oil represents accessible quality through its multi-country approach. This blends sources from Italy, Greece, Spain, Tunisia, Turkey, and Morocco to create a smooth, full-bodied oil with a sweet start, slight bitterness, fruity middle, and almond finish. The advantage of blending from multiple regions is remarkable consistency year-round, making it perfect for families who cook in volume. The Colavita name is well respected with OU kosher certification. For budget-conscious cooks who need olive oil for marinades, sauces, and general cooking, this provides familiar flavor and wide availability at accessible prices. So if maximum health benefits are your priority, Atlas or Desert Miracle deliver exceptional polyphenol levels. For everyday cooking versatility, Graza Sizzle and Cobram Estate Classic offer excellent quality that handles high temperatures beautifully. Budget shoppers will love Pompeian Robust and Colavita Mediterranean for accessible quality. When you want to impress guests, Frescobaldi Laudemio and Partanna bring prestigious heritage and gorgeous packaging. If absolute freshness matters most, Corto Truly and Cobram Estate excel with innovative approaches. Check out all the product links down in the description, and if this video helped you, hit that subscribe button for more product reviews.